Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to discuss how to find derivative of two functions when they are multiplied. So it is easy, like when you are having a single function, let's say I am having sine x, so we know its derivative is equal to cos x. But what you will do when you have got something like when your function is actually product of two different functions, when you are having something like x squared times sine x. So in this video we are going to discuss how to find derivative of functions which are actually product of two different functions. So this thing is known as product rule. So in product rule, what we have got our first function which we call u and our second function which we call v. So the very important thing is that you should be able to identify in whenever you are doing any question that which are your two different functions. Once you have identified it, then it's a cakewalk. What I have done, I have got all the commonly used formulas. I have written it here for your reference because you people would be allowed to use formula booklet in your exam. So let's take the same example that we were discussing before. So the function was fx is equal to x squared times sine x. Now let's say I am saying my u is equal to x squared and my v is equal to sine x. Once I have recognized my u and v, next step is that we have to find their derivatives separately. So we will have here derivative of u with respect to x. So here I will get 2x and I will find derivative of v. So derivative of v, you can refer to the formula. So sine x derivative is equal to cos x. Now I will plug it back in the formula. So the formula that we have got whenever we are finding, let's say my fx is equal to uv. So my f dash x is equal to u dash v plus v dash u. It's easy to remember even if you like to remember it. So what you have to do, you have to write the derivative of first function here, multiply it by the second function, then you add them, you have the derivative of second function, and then you multiply it by the first function. So I really guide my students to do it like this. When you have written them separately as u and v, it becomes very easy in exam, like the chances of making any mistake would be very low. So let's rewrite our function. So f dash x is equal to u dash, which is equal to 2x, v which is equal to sine x, plus v dash which is equal to cos x times u which is equal to x square. That's my derivative, so that's my answer. We'll take one more example. So in this example, let's say our example 2, I'm going to use chain rule as well as product rule. So let's take an example where I am having my gx is equal to something like e to the power 2x times ln x. Let's take ln x. So here let's recognize this is my first function. We can see there are two different functions which are multiplied to each other. So this is my u and let's say this is my v. So I will write here u is equal to e to the power 2x and v is equal to ln x. So u dash would be equal to derivative of e to the power 2x is e to the power 2x times 2. Always remember this is a composite function. In my previous video in the chain rule 1, I have explained that how you can find derivative of composite functions. If you haven't watched it, I am going to put its link here. You can watch it. Now let's find the derivative of v, which is equal to 1 over x. So derivative of ln x is 1 over x. Now what I am going to do, I will just nicely put it back in the formula. So we have learned that the derivative of uv is equal to u dash v plus v dash u. Always remember that. And this is also given in your formula booklet. So let's write 2 times e to the power 2x times v which is equal to ln x plus derivative of v which is 1 over x times u e to the power 2x. That's my answer. That's my derivative. Okay, so this is how you can find derivative of any functions when you are having a function which is actually product of two different functions. I hope this video for you.